The investigative committee into the storming of the US Capitol wants to bring two prominent advisors to then President Donald Trump to court. The committee unanimously adopted a report on Monday finding the disregard for Congress by Trump's former trade advisor Peter Navarro and his then social media chief Dan Scavino. In the next step, the House of Representatives, dominated by US President Joe Biden's Democrats, must agree to refer the case to the Justice Department. The authority could then open criminal proceedings. Barely 2 months after Trump's election defeat, his supporters stormed the seat of Congress in Washington on January 6 in 2021 after the Republican delivered an inciting speech. They wanted to prevent confirmation of Democrat Joe Biden's victory. The attack killed 5 people and injured dozens. The attack on the heart of US democracy shook the country. Trump claims to this day that he was deprived of victory through electoral fraud. His camp has failed with dozens of lawsuits against the election results. Democratic Committee Chair Benny Thompson said Monday night that Navarro and Scavino have an obligation to cooperate with the committee in the investigation. They refuse to do that, and that's a criminal offense, he said. Republican Vice Chair of the investigative body Liz Cheney said, Mr. Scavino worked directly with President Trump to spread his false message that the election was stolen. Navarro is also a key witness. Cheney said the committee has now interviewed hundreds of witnesses, including more than a dozen former Trump administration employees. The MPs learned that Trump and his team had been repeatedly warned that their efforts to overturn the election results would violate the Constitution. Of the 9 members on the committee, 7 are Democrats and just 2 Republicans, both of whom are outspoken Trump critics. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.